Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use the Discord app. In order to use Discord app, you have to follow the simple steps. Now, first thing, let's start by creating an account. So open up a browser or you could install the application. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. On the web address bar, type in discord.com. That's gonna take you to their official page. So this is how it's gonna look like here. Press the login button from the top right inside corner of your screen. Next thing, what you want to do is you want to click on the register at the bottom of the page. Now to begin with the registration, go ahead and type in your email address, register to it, and make sure to go ahead and give a name as well. And you could go ahead and create a username. After which you have to go ahead and give a date of birth and make sure to mark on the terms and condition and click the continue button. Here there will be some sort of CAPTCHA, so you have to fill out the CAPTCHA and then you could move on to the next one. Click the verify button at the bottom of the page. Now moving on, next thing what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and make sure to verify all of that. And this is how it's gonna look like. Now you could go ahead and create a server by pressing the plus icon over here. You could create your own or you could join the server as well. At the bottom of the page you can see join. And next thing what you can do is in order to like screen share or go live, you could go ahead and use the feature at the bottom of the page. So this is basically how you can use your in Discord. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.